Hello students, I am Ankit Gupta. In previous class, we had calculated the calculation of mean by the help of assume mean method and step deviation method. Now in this class, we will discuss about median and mode for the class interval type questions. So today I have taken already one question. In this question, the class interval and f is given and we will calculate the median of this question. Okay. Now, for calculating the median, we have to calculate CF. CF means cumulative frequency. Now, first, what is the meaning of cumulative frequency? Cumulative frequency means the arranged order in increased form of any data. When you are getting your marks in final examination, then whole year marks will already added in that marks. It means the cumulative marks you will get, or cumulative attendance also. According to that format, we are using the cumulative frequency. We will calculate the cumulative frequency. So see how we will calculate the cumulative frequency. First frequency we will write directly 6. Second frequency 20 plus 6 is 26. Now 26 plus 44 is 60, 70. Then 70 plus 26 is 96, then 96 plus 3 is 99, and 99 plus 1 is your 100. Okay, now see these arrows, these are the rough work. Okay, I am showing to you for calculating the CF always. Now mark as last value of CF and denoted is capital N. Capital N is equals to 100. Now calculate N upon 2. N upon 2 means 100 upon 2. 100 upon 2 means 50. Now choose just bigger CF value. Just bigger CF value of 50 in CF column. In CF column is 70. Is 70. Mark in the box. Mark as in the box and take one above value also. This is called L-shape figure. This is called L-shape figure. Now we will write the values. First L. L is the lowest value of the class. This is your L. So L is 40. F. In this column F is 44. We will write here F is equals to 44. Then CF, just above value, this one. CF is yours 26. Okay. Now last one is H. H is our class interval. Class interval is 40 and 50 is 10. Class interval is 10. Now we will write the formula of median. So median is equals to L plus N upon 2 minus CF upon F multiply by H. Put all the values. Capital L value is 40 plus N upon 2 is 50 minus 26 upon 44 multiply by 10. Now 40 plus 50 minus 26. 50 minus 26. 10 minus 6 is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. 24 upon 44 multiply by 10. Now 40 plus, cancel it, 2, 12, 2, 22, again 2, 6, again 2, 11, 60 upon 11. Now 40 plus, 11 5s are 55, 5 remainder, 11 4s are 44, 6 remainder 5. So answer is 45.45. This is yours median. Now in this question we had used this formula. So we have to remember this formula for calculating the median. Okay. Now pause the video and note it down. Okay. Now we are calculating the mode, and for calculating the mode, one question I have already taken. Class interval and F is given. So there are some steps for calculating the mode. Now there is no need to make another column for calculation of mode. This is the question and this is the last table of that question. There is no need to make another column for solving the mode. Now we will find some data in that table only. First, the highest frequency in this table. Highest frequency is 16. Mark in the box. Mark as in the box, and take above frequency value also, take down frequency value also. Called as T. This is called as T. Now the highest frequency value is denoted by F1. Above frequency value is denoted by F0 or called F0, and downward frequency value is denoted by F2. Now here we will write the values, every values. So L again lowest value of the class is 20, L. Then after H is class interval is yours 5. Now F0 is 7, F1 is 16, and F2 is 12. Now calculation of mode. So the formula of mode is L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiply by H. We have to remember the formula always, otherwise we cannot solve the question. Okay, now put all the values those who have taken. So 20 plus F1 is yours 16 minus 7 upon 2 multiply by 16 minus 7 minus 12 multiply by 5. Okay, now 20 plus 16 minus 7 is 9 and multiply 5, write down here directly. 2 multiply 16 is 32 minus 12 and 7 19. This step you have to solve carefully. That's why I am speaking each and everything. First 16 minus 7 is 9 and write 5 with it. So 9 multiply 5. In denominator 2 multiply 16 is 32 and minus 7 and minus 12 is minus 19. Now solve it. 20 plus 9 5s are 45 upon 12 minus 9 3. 2 minus 1 is 1. 13. Okay. Now 20 plus divided by, because they are not cancelled to each other, so divided. 13 3s are 39. 6 remainder, so 13 4s are 52. Again 8 remains, so 13 6s are 78. Now 20 added, so 23.46 is yours answer. This is called mode. Okay, now I revise whole the topic, mean, median and mode. When you are calculating the mean, you have to make the bigger table, and in that table approx 4 to 5 columns. When you are calculating the median, then only 3 columns, class F and CF. When you are calculating the mode, only 2 columns which are given in the question only. Okay, for calculating the mean, you have to calculate the X. For calculating the median, you have to calculate the CF. And for calculating the mode, there is no need to calculate anything. You can use directly the formula. Okay. If you will like this video, then please subscribe the channel and click on the like button also. We will discuss further related topics in the next class. Thank you all of you.